Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful blenders in its class, the Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie and Food Processing Blender. Whether you're into creamy smoothies, frozen drinks, or making sauces in seconds, this machine brings commercial-grade performance right to your countertop. The Ninja BL660 runs on an impressive 1,100-watt motor, giving it enough torque to crush ice and frozen fruit effortlessly. This is what sets it apart from your average kitchen blender. Inside the 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, the 6-blade assembly pulverizes ingredients within seconds, perfect for large family batches or party drinks. But that's not all. You also get two 16-ounce Nutri Ninja to-go cups with spout lids, ideal for single-serve smoothies when you're in a rush. The design is sleek, sturdy, and functional. The gray finish complements any kitchen setup while the controls remain simple and intuitive. You've got 3 preset functions: crush, blend, and pulse, giving you full control over texture and consistency. Whether it's morning protein shakes, creamy nut butter, or homemade salsa, the BL660 handles it smoothly. Cleaning is easy too. The parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, so no scrubbing or soaking required. And with its built-in safety lock and non-slip base, it stays stable even at high speed. The versatility of this blender extends to meal prep, letting you puree soups, grind oats, or even whip up pancake batter without switching appliances. What makes this Ninja stand out is its ability to maintain power and consistency over time. Users praise how it performs just as well years later. It's not just a smoothie maker, it's a daily workhorse. So, if you want professional-level blending performance without spending hundreds more, the Ninja BL660 might be your best pick this year. Don't forget, links are below if you want to check it out on Amazon. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tech and home gear reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.